With the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficial. Hello everyone, this is Waqas Shafiq with the second episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. The tool which I choose today for you is Microsoft OneNote, which is my personal favorite. If you are really looking forward to enhance your productivity and you want to get your work done easily, I'm just going to give you a quick tips and tricks that how you can do that using that amazing tool. So let's move directly toward that software, and let me show you that how you could get access of Microsoft OneNote. You could see here an app which is Microsoft OneNote. So I just installed Office in my computer. So if you have Office 2013 16, or if you are using the 2019 the latest one as well, you can get access of Microsoft OneNote. If you are using Hotmail ID within Hotmail, you have Microsoft OneNote online app available. So you have both desktop application and the online application. These both are into your access right now. So let's talk about little bit about Microsoft OneNote, that how it could help you out. It basically replaces the paper and the pencil. If you think about Microsoft Word and a paper and a pencil, if we compare both the stuff in Microsoft Word, we to some extent are dependent on the format of the Microsoft Word. Like we need to start from the left side and the line side, and but the beauty of the paper and the pencil is we have flexibility to write anywhere on a piece of paper. This Microsoft OneNote page basically enable you to write anywhere on the page. Like if I'm writing here information and communication, so you see where I am writing, that tool is basically enabling me. I just need to click and I start writing, and I'll let you know that what is the purpose of writing anywhere on a piece of a paper. So in the home tab, it's just like same. I'm not going deep down into that detail, but I just want to show you the things which you can't do in Microsoft Word, but OneNote enables you to do the same things in a most effective way. For example, you could consider it as a data management tool. As the name depicts, that OneNote, within a one notebook you can manage all your stuff in a quite effective way. If you're a teacher, you might have the classroom classes which you need to teach on daily basis. Other than that, for example, if you're a professional, you might have meetings. You want to record the minute of the meeting. And if you're a professor, you can do a lot of stuff here. Let me show you how you can do that. For example, this is one of the tab. I can rename it, and for example, I'm a science teacher. So I make one of the tab, and let's make the second one the math one, and the third one the English one. Okay, what I need to do in order to manage and organize my data in Microsoft OneNote, I just need to go on a science. For example, if I'm teaching a science subject, on daily basis, I just need to go there. And if there is some stuff relevant to science which I want to showcase to my student, I want to share and collaborate with the student as well. So what you need to do is, I'm just going to minimize. Let's see, for example, this is a PDF file. You just need to pick it and drop it over here. It's giving you the two options: attach file, insert printout. If you attach file, that file is basically now a part of your science subject, and this will be a permanent record for you. If you want to share the same stuff with someone who is not present in the classroom today, although he or she will be able to get access of all the things which you are teaching today. The second most beautiful thing here is, no matter whether you're working on a file and you're working on an internet, you have capability to get things wherever you want. Like, let me show you one of the example here. For example, this is a PDF file. I'm just going to open it, and going back to my OneNote file now. For example, this is a nomination list, and I just need this portion of our data as an image. So in Microsoft OneNote, I can use the screen clipping option. I can select the required image or the data which I required. It will become a part of my Microsoft OneNote. So here it is. The second example which I want to give you, for example, you're working on internet and you find out one of the picture which is relevant to your topic, so you can do amazing things over here as well. Like for example, this is one of the internet page and I need this image which is relevant to my topic which I am teaching today. So I will go back into my OneNote file. I will again click on the screen clipping option, select the picture, the portion of a picture which I needed for my file, and now it will become a part of my Microsoft OneNote file. It as easy as it is. The second thing, the second most important feature, which you are not getting in Microsoft Word, is record audio. For example, as a teacher, this could really help you out if you want to share your data with your staff, with your admin staff, and with anyone who is not present in the classroom. So you can record your whole session very easily. You just need to click here during your session, and the time the recording has started now. So what I was speaking, my computer is basically recording all the stuff. So I can stop it now, and my recording is ready to hear. I can play it. Just need to click here during your session, and the time the recording has started. And now you can see what I recorded. You can hear my voice as well. Same likely, you have a video recording option as well. So you could record your whole stuff in a quite effective way using the video option. So which I just recorded. So for example, this is a video, you can play it, whatever the portion were recording. So you now have access to your data in both forms. Number one, the MP3 one, the recording of your whole session. The second one is the video version of your lecture if you want to record it. So this is something really very amazing. No matter you are a professional or a student or a teacher, this could really help you out to share your knowledge, to share your experience with others. So let's move. The other thing is, I just want to show you few things. For example, if you're a professional and you just finish up with one of the meeting, what I can do is I just click on the add pages and I have meeting with someone. So I have a lot of format ready-made available which help me out to enhance my productivity and save my time. Like these are the page templates in Microsoft OneNote. If we see the page template, you just need to click here and you see there are a lot of options. Whether you need a template related to academics, whether if you're a businessman, then there are a lot of things relevant to the businessman. If you want to decorate your piece, like you need animation, something like that, you choose that. For example, if I'm just going to click on academics, and what I'm going to do is I need a detailed lecture note. So just click here. You see that I don't need to be worried about that what should be in a detailed meeting note, what should be in a the format is already available here. The concept which I showed you earlier on, that wherever you want you can type it, you can write it. This is the beauty. For example, I have to give homework to my student about information, and I can simply write it. If I will click here, I can do my stuff in a most effective way. Where I'm clicking, my computer is basically timing. So once you will get your work ready, just if you need the hard copy of it, just straight print and your work will be ready. So this is how you can use Microsoft OneNote as a most effective way. Other than that, you have like in the draw option, you have a lot of pens available. You can write whatever you want. If you need to focus on few stuff, you can use these options. This is just the first session of Microsoft OneNote. I'm coming up with a lot of new sessions in the second episode, so just wait for it. For now, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the session. Coming up with a new session on Microsoft OneNote on next Tuesday. Thank you.